Well, we piled up a bunch of what I'll call granite slices, rectangles, and you can see what we did here. Kind of made a bench. And now I'm trying to put some on the ground with crushed stone underneath them, putting them upside down. So that way we have some good texture here. And I want to see, first of all, what does it look like once they're swept off? And how does it stay? And is it a good way to go? So I have more ready. I need to put some more crushed stone down. I'm debating on this area right here. Originally this was going to be our fire pit area, but now we have one over there. So honestly, I really don't need this. So I'm considering, I do need some stone in another spot up at our house on the hill. I'm thinking about loading these up and taking them up there. That'll give me more room here to do a bigger patio area and some seating. And I'm also considering making a hole through this fence here that we could just walk through, because we didn't own that land originally, but now we do. So this is kind of our hangout area. That would kind of tie these in together. So that's what I'm thinking about. But this does look really cool, I think. Pile them up really nice. I did this over here just to see what it looks like. Got this beautiful rainforest granite and lots of other really cool ones. Got this green. This looks like that blue pearl in it. This, I think there was two different names for it. One was brown something, and then I'm not sure about this one, or this one, or these, but really cool stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go up and work on caulking in the wood shop, or on the wood shop siding. But that's where we're at. We got this cool iron fence here, kind of setting it off. So I guess I need to think about that pit area and maybe use those stones where I do need some. Okay, enough for this project.